Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to do more setting up of the garage. So I'm going to go get a metal bench that's going to fit nice and snug in there.
Perfect.
Hi guys, so we're going to go get a workbench for over here. It's going to be a metal one, so I can do welding on it, and I can also do some engine building on it. So I've got to make sure I keep it clean. Yeah, let's jump in the fuzz. Let's mow the lawns. Also, my indicators showed up for the Skyline, so I can start working on the bumper. So I can mold it in. So that's pretty cool. So guys, the fuzz has actually been driving quite well. Yes, pretty surprised as well. The only thing is, the boost reference from the pipe to the compressor, from the intake pipe to the boost solenoid been popping off, so I've been over boosting. That's why I popped the intercooler pipe when I did a little tunnel run. That boosted to like 24 psi. Yep, 24 psi. Other than that, it's been good. Still haven't washed the fuzz since getting it out of the garage. So with this rain, hopefully it will wash the dust up a little bit. Yeah. Very surprised. Can't remember how much petrol I put in, but I've done 172 kilometers and I've got one notch left on the fuel. So this trip I'll be filling up again. Alrighty guys, just filled up, put $50 in. It's not actually full, but I got 30 litres this week. This last week I think it was 27. Anyways, ready guys, got the bench. Shotgun. Alright, let's go home. It nearly knocked me out. Just on my way home, I saw a bunch of gravel on the road, a couple of four-wheel drives turning down the street. I looked down the street, somebody had hit the back of a truck that had gravel in it. Can't imagine the front of their car would have been covered in gravel then. Just come out and onto the road. Some people just don't pay attention anymore. Well, we made it home and only got hit in the head like twice. Let's get in the garage and then I'll probably come back when it's dark because I've got a lot of cleaning to do for Marley's party tomorrow. And we'll set this up and clean up the garage a bit, get the K24 onto that, and yeah. It's 2 meters by 600 millimeters by 900 high, so it fits perfect in there. They did have one set up at the shop where I got it. It looks okay. Not like a heavy duty, square tube, But it'll do for now. It can hold 400 kilos, so pretty happy with that. It's definitely an engine. So it's a couple of 100 kilos on both shelves. Adjustable shelves, yeah, so I can put stuff on the ground, stuff on the shelf, stuff on the top. She said a lot of people remove the shelf and put like MDF top in it, like workbenches and stuff, but obviously I want it metal so we can weld, so I might have to get a sheet of metal for the whole top. It is powder coated. I'm not sure if you can weld through powder coat. It was chipped off a bit, the one at the shop, and she showed me, you know, if it chips off it will start to get rusty, so might be just a mild steel thing, which I'm not too fussed with. Yeah, I'm feeling perfect. Yeah, next thing is pretty much to clean up that end of the garage. Obviously won't be doing anything this weekend, probably until Sunday Arvo. Got to get some supplies for Molly's birthday, so we're going to head back out in Forester. Had quite a few people actually looking at my car on the way home. I did have the exhaust on, but you know, actually no, I didn't. Not all the time. There was one lady that looked at, oh, that was on the way there, had it off because I was over it, wanted to listen to music, and yeah, she had a good stare at it. Like it was multicoloured or it's a low fuzz or what. Alrighty guys, it's about 9:30. Just finished watching Spider-Man and I can't be bothered. I'll catch you soon. I'll catch you in a couple of days. But still this video. Alright guys, it's Sunday afternoon. Yeah, 4:30. Daylight saving, so it's feeling a bit weird. But anyways, Irish party's gone. Place is a mess in here. I'm gonna make these and get it set up and clean this place up. Ready for Monday. Ready to get stuck back into the skyline, or start the skyline. So Marley's party went out, bought some drinks, thought people would have quite a bit, you know, and they bought their own drinks, so we've got some party spoils. So things might take a little bit longer today, but that's fine, you don't have to worry about it. I don't know where to start. I'll move stuff first. Alright, so I just got the ends just sitting there. This is the instructions. Yep. This is what I got in the bag. It's gonna be fun. Alrighty boys, we finally have a metal workbench. Might have to get a plate of stainless or something and clamp it down onto wherever I'm going to work and get the old earth to it. But yeah, more storage. Got a metal workbench to work with, so I'm going to get the old K24 parts onto here so we can clean up a bit. Now that the workbench is done, we can get the K24 onto that and we can start putting it back together. But coming up this week, we'll be getting stuck into the skyline doing the repairs on the front end there, so we can get it going, get it out, and hopefully sell it and get a more family orientated car. Alrighty guys, pretty much finished setting up here. We've got the welder here, just need to make up in longer earth so we can get it over to the bench. And I'll probably end up getting another TIG torch. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this episode. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.